Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to review the Beauty Blender washing machine. And for those who don't know, this is a toy. Like, it's just for like playhouses and whatnot, but supposedly you can use it for your beauty blender, so we're going to test out that theory. So first thing you want to do is open it up, as so. Get some water, put it in here, not too much. Okay. Put some soap. And then I'm gonna get my Jeffree Star / Morphe sponge. As you can see, it has powder, foundation, concealer. We're just gonna stick it in there. Okay. Open it up. And as that's doing that, so we're gonna stop it, open the latch, take it out, do a quick squeeze. Okay. And it took some of the product off, so it didn't really clean it, but it just took some of it off. So I just took a third of the product. So let's try it on a different sponge. So this one's my mini beauty blender, and I use this for my concealer for the under eyes and for my eyebrows. So let's drop this one in here and see what happens. Okay, so let's take it out. Do a little squeeze. Okay, so it did the same exact thing, so I just took some of the product off. So in conclusion, this will not wash your beauty blenders. Unless you had powder on it, it will clean your sponge, but this is a toy, so it's not really gonna clean your whole beauty blender, but it is to have for fun. Because I did get this on AliExpress and only paid $7, and it got here within a week. So I think it's kind of fun just to have it as a knick-knack, and just have it if you have anxiety like me. You can just watch your beauty blender spin around and kill time. So I think it was kind of a cute little experiment, but it's not really much of a use to you if you want to clean your beauty blender. But the fun thing about this is it has a little drain, so when you're done you can just drain it out right here. There you go. And let's see, put this back on here. And if you're wondering why mine is black, it's because it came pink, but I didn't like how the pink looked, so I painted it black with face paint or just paint, whatever, because usually it's face paint, but you know, whatever. And it came out really adorable, even though inside's still pink, but you know, I thought this was cute. And it's wet, so I'm probably gonna let it dry and then do a touch up if it needs one. But that's my video for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave a like and subscribe.